fishing is insane. We've been here an hour. We have 7 fish. We have 1 more to go. We could have kept our limits, but we're just having fun catching fish. Another little baby. So he just caught that one. And now his flag is down to this other one, and I think I have a fish here. Yeah, I definitely have a fish here. I got a pike.
This one's on.
Chase just caught one there. But no, this flag is down. After just dealing with that flag, he's on to the next. He has a fish in his other one too. Let it go.